Hungry boy?
We don't let the horses land. Did it slip out? Oh, oh, oh.
All right. So, Cruz is supposed to be on vacation all the way through January.
My gosh, girl, you look majestic as fuck. Wow.
Now this one is sleeping. That's funny.
Coming, King Julian. Tra la 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 la.
Winter!
Don't you fucking dare talk to me like that!
Come on. You live outside, you numpty. It's just a little bit of rain.
So good and tasty?